My name is Mullenax. I'm 47 and I'm the returns coordinator. I've been with AKS for just over 4 years.
Step inside American Key Supply and meet the people who keep the Locksmith world turning, one key at a time.
I've got a very strong customer service background, mostly in call center. My brother-in-law, Travis, is the refurbs manager, and he told me to give it a try, that they were hiring and that he thought I would like it, and I've been here ever since. Well, I was born in Mountain Home Air Force Base, Idaho. My dad was Air Force, so I'm kind of from everywhere. Most recently, I spent 17 years in West Virginia, and we moved out here 6 years ago. I have 3 boys, and a way to connect with them has always been gaming. So I'm a big gamer. We like to play Battlefield and Call of Duty and Fallout. Well, my dad was Air Force, so I've lived all over the world. For 2 years, I lived in Incirlik Air Force Base, Turkey, and I've swam in the Mediterranean Sea. The people, not just my coworkers, but the customers. Everyone is so friendly and they're willing to teach you what they know. I've never met people like these people before. My most memorable moments are at trade shows. I enjoy actually getting to hang out and get to know our customers. We go out to dinner, we socialize with them. We go to so many shows a year and we get to see the same people over and over again and really get to know them. Our customer service. If we don't know the answer, we will do everything we can to find the answer and make sure that we reach back out to you. We care. We don't just care about our customers, we care about each other. We do everything that we can to make sure that not only our customers are satisfied, but we know our customers have clients as well, and they need to be satisfied too. In just the 4 years I've been here, I've seen it grow tremendously. I would like to continue to see it grow. Our departments get bigger, our processes get better. We do locksmith training classes throughout the year. I am really interested in attending some of those and learning more about the products that we sell and how they work. Everything to do with returns. Customers calling in wanting to return something, reaching out to the vendor to return it back to them. So many things are involved in returns, more than you would imagine. And the biggest challenge, I think, would be the defects. When a defect comes in, investigating it and finding out what went wrong, why it went wrong, what we can do to fix it. Well, a customer calls in and they request a return. It comes to my desk and I notate the account. I send them a label. If there's a defect involved, I report that defect and investigate whether it's a bigger issue that needs to be resolved or if it's a one-off issue. That tends to happen sometimes. And then when the product comes in, we notate the account that we received the product, we test the product, and then if the customer needs a refund, we send that over to accounting. If they've already gotten a replacement, we just notate the account and we're done. The more information you can give us, the better. If you have a defect, I want to know everything that you can possibly tell me about what went wrong, how it went wrong, because we investigate those and we actively do what we need to keep making our product better. And we can't do that if we don't have the information. Sales is vital in getting me the information that I need. They're the voice of the customer. Them telling me how quickly the customer needs it, and then I collaborate with the shipping department to get it shipped out as fast as we can to make sure that the customers are taken care of. If someone doesn't know something, you can go to almost anybody who works here, and if they know the answer, they will help you. We work together very well. I collaborate and communicate with so many departments here to help identify trends in flagging defects or continued complaints. so that way we can get them flagged early and get them corrected as quickly as possible. Family. We celebrate birthdays, we celebrate holidays, we do potlucks. We really come together and treat each other like family. We care, we get to know each other, not just our customers, but our coworkers. We get to know each other and learn what they like, what they don't like. And it's just a great big family. I've never worked for a company that we actually got to know everybody that worked in the company.
For more information on American Key Supply, our products, services, and locksmith training courses, visit us at AmericanKeySupply.com.